Hello guys, it's me, Hoàng Hưng here. I've been teaching for the IELTS Workshop for over 6 years now, and I'm very happy to be part of this company.
And this is Khánh Huyền. I've been working here for the last, say, 3 years. And yes, I'm also very happy to be here today with you.
Yeah. Well, actually, back in primary school, my friends started to call me Harry because I was totally hooked on Harry Potter. I even wanted to have a scar on my forehead. How about you? What's your English name?
Well, you know how people in Vietnamese, we often say Queen instead of Quyên, my real name. So I think I'm gonna go for Gwen.
Gwen.
You know, it sounds the same.
Like a Chinese name?
That's not the Chinese name. It's Gwen, like Gwen Stacy from Spider-Man, you know? I love Emma Stone in that movie.
Actually, I'm very fortunate and humble to be one of Mr. Tung's first ever students. And I was later invited to join his teaching team. Actually, I was blown away by how genuine and talented, friendly he was. So I immediately accepted the offer. And I gotta say that it was probably one of the best decisions so far. How are you? What's your journey?
I actually did not actively decide to become an IELTS trainer. So I think it was when I was fresh out of school, out of college, and then someone offered me a gig as an English tutor, and then just more opportunities presented themselves, and I decided to take them, of course. And at the time, I realized that I actually do enjoy working with people this way. So that's why I'm here. So I only started working here after the first lockdown of the pandemic. Do you remember that, 2020? I think it was around October or November when I got an interview here, and I started working immediately. Yeah, so
do you have to do a demo?
Yes, of course. Like,
how many times?
I think that was like 2.
2?
And let me tell you a secret.
Okay.
I actually forgot my laptop on the first one.
Oh my god.
Like, I thought I forgot it, the adapter to connect my laptop to the TV screen, and then I had to come back to my house to get it. But then on the way to the interview, I realized that, oh yes, I got the adapter, but the adapter was actually right next to my laptop at home.
Okay.
So
how did you deliver the lesson?
I swing it.
Oh, you just go with the flow?
Yes, of course. I think didn't realize that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself for that. And I also, what's your episode again? Oh yes, 2020. So I got everything done by that point, which means I got my degree in teaching already. So I thought that I got this in the bag, like it is done. Well, do you remember what happened next in 2021?
2021, was that the time that the COVID-19 pandemic happened again?
Yes. That was the second lockdown.
And we had to teach online?
Yes. The whole summer. Yes. Nothing would have prepared me for that.
Yeah. I was so used to teaching online that I didn't want to come back to teach at school.
Really?
Yes. I prefer teaching online at that time because it was so, convenient for me not to dress up or take a shower. Super convenient, and
wow, very
hygienic.
Actually, I missed hanging out with people because I live alone. Do you?
Trời đất ơi, tự nhiên cái tôi tỉnh ra liền luôn.
Yes, but I enjoy my own company.
Yeah, I do too, but sometimes it's just like really lonely, just staring at your screen day in, day out, and of course, students are really shy. They wouldn't turn on the camera.
Actually, I use filters all the time, so I feel like whenever I had a class, I had the opportunity to, be creative with my filters and still interact with them a lot.
Yeah, I do the same thing, but with the backgrounds.
Yes. Actually, what impresses me the most about the company is the camaraderie among the coworkers here. I mean, you and many other friends of mine are super friendly and supportive. Actually, I never felt any hatred or jealousy coming from any of you, which is a big difference compared to many other companies. And, that's why I feel like home when teaching, really. Alright, what I like most about this company is that it always provides opportunities for teachers to be, trained by experts to enhance their professional skills. And I also like the fact that it always respects the personal style and creativity of teachers here.
That's true.
How about you? What do you like most about our company?
2 P's, the people and the paycheck.
The paycheck. Actually, for me, the toughest part of being a teacher here is, staying motivated and keep my enthusiasm when dealing with super lazy and disrespectful students, which is a real downer for me.
Yep, I feel that too, I feel you. But for me personally, I would say the biggest obstacle that I have to deal with, like, sometimes on a daily basis,
is
the adapter.
The adapter?
The cable. Like, we have to use the laptop and the TV screen, right?
Yes.
Oh my good God, it takes me like 5-10 minutes every class to make sure that they are connected, but then just one wrong move and it's all for naught.
That's the reason why I have to go to the class early. In case of emergency, I don't want to be embarrassed in front of our students.
Yes, oh my good God.
Flexing đi nào. Đến lúc flexing rồi.
Không cháu gì flexing cả.
Now, come on, show your guns. Come on, put your guns.
Hả? Thôi, ủa, alo.
Gì vậy?
Em là gì?
I can actually speak like many
Language.
tongue
Okay.
of animals. It's actually very convincing.
Yeah, show me.
No, you just have to take my words for it. I can do like dogs and cats and chicken, and of course maybe rats. And lately I have just learned to speak crow.
How?
Have you heard a crow?
Very rarely. We're living in a big city. Come on. Sounds like cacao to me.
No, they actually said that.
Okay.
Ba từ để mô tả đồng nghiệp bên cạnh.
Okay.
It's taken you a long time.
All right. If I had to pick, they would be charismatic, edgy, confidently beautiful without a heart. Because sometimes you have this RBF going on your face.
Con trai phải xinh.
Thank you. And I have 3 words for you, and that's 3. Okay.
Okay.
Handsome as hell.
Okay. As hell.
For viewer nhiều hơn đi.
For viewer. Em chưa thông điều gì nào?
I don't have a lot of things to say because you said it already. So I'm just gonna remind you guys to, breathe in, breathe deep, breathe through, breathe out. You got this.
Trò chơi hay là chọn đồ ăn? Game of food.
All right. What do you pick? On my count. 1, 2, 3. Games.